again. This is Dr. Mark Ott with Integrative Health of Orlando, representing the Integrative Health offices around the country in Tampa as well as in Green Bay, Wisconsin. And this morning what I want to do is I want to discuss with you the liver's involvement with your type 2 diabetes. If you're a type 2 diabetic, what you'll find is that the liver is tested on a fairly frequent basis. In other words, every 6 months to a year at the most, you're going to notice that there are tests done to see how your liver is performing. They're looking to see if liver enzymes are elevated, if your cholesterol is elevated, if your triglycerides are elevated, and if you're a type 2 diabetic for any significant amount of time, what you'll see is you'll watch those levels rise over time. And you'll watch the introduction, of course, then of medications to control these things, like statin drugs, drugs to lower triglycerides, and so on. What I want to be very clear about is that if you're a type 2 diabetic, the liver's involvement in your type 2 diabetes is absolutely crucial. It's paramount to the disease process. In fact, most doctors look at the liver as a secondary effect to the type 2 diabetes. In other words, as your diabetes gets worse, it makes the liver worse. And that is true. However, it's also true to understand that the liver's function in the first place is probably a key component of why you're a diabetic. In other words, if the liver is functioning poorly to begin with, it may not be showing up in tests yet that aren't sensitive enough to see it, but it will ultimately cause the type 2 diabetes to start to creep and change your life from being a non-diabetic to being pre-diabetic to being a full-blown type 2 diabetic. So liver testing, understanding the liver's function and how it relates to the other organs in the body, how it deals with the hormones, how it deals with adrenals, how it deals with the digestive tract, understanding all of these relationships and their interplays with one another is crucial to understanding how to take care of your type 2 diabetes. So if the only liver testing that's being done is being done for you to watch your liver deteriorate over time, which is what I generally see happening with type 2 diabetics, the liver is tested over and over simply to gauge how poorly it's performing, rather than to find out what's really wrong and how to address fixing it, then this is probably a good time for you to start thinking about looking outside of your current treatment parameters. If you're a type 2 diabetic and you're looking for answers, if you want to actually reverse your disease and face a world of being non-diabetic again, then you want to look us up. Google us at Integrative Health of Orlando, Integrative Health of Tampa, or Integrative Health of Green Bay, and we will look forward to providing you with answers to why you're a type 2 diabetic and not just tell you that you are and that you have to live with it over and over again. This is Dr. Ott again with Integrative Health of Orlando, and we'll look forward to helping you.